Welcome back to weather, and we do have such a beautiful looking sky. We'll have a nice sunset tonight, but we do have a lot of moisture coming this weekend. We'll talk about that in just a couple of minutes. For now, though, let's take a look at today's high temperature. Why not? High temperatures range from 60 degrees up in Danville to 68 to the west in Decatur. Pretty much normal for this time of year on the high end. Now tonight, our low temperatures will dip down to near 50, partly cloudy conditions, but look at those winds. We have winds from the southeast coming up at about 25 miles per hour, and that's really nothing compared to what you'll see tomorrow. Thursday, well, let's look at those day parts specifically. We'll have a high temperature of 63 degrees, but wind gusts at times greater than 40 miles per hour. Also tomorrow, a possibility of scattered showers, most of that midday from around 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., give or take an hour. Our temperatures will be gradually rising, but not moving up too much, not quite as warm tomorrow as it was today, and today was just average. Let's take a look at what might happen tomorrow according to the way Futurecast is calling it. You do see that rain we looked at earlier on the satellite picture. It's moving through from the west to the east, and basically we have the possibility of showers here when you see those green shades. It doesn't mean rain is certain. We do believe that where it is likely to rain in the darker areas, we're looking at really showers, and things will break up from time to time, and toward late afternoon and early evening, a lot of clearing, but then you do see there's more on the way as the plot will thicken again from the west. Let's look at the menu for this weekend. It is Easter weekend, and there is a possibility of severe showers. You see the temperature, a high of 76, that's above normal for this time of year. That will have a tendency to increase instability in the atmosphere, and that's usually bad news with regard to severe weather. More on that in just a moment. Saturday, probably severe weather continuing past midnight in the early morning hours of Saturday, maybe actually until noon. High temperature near 66, and Sunday, more scattered rain on your Easter Sunday. And then the severe storm risk, let's talk about that. Friday night into Saturday, including most of the morning hours on Saturday, for the entire viewing area, the Storm Prediction Center says we are a level 2 risk on a scale of 1 to 5 as far as possible severe storms. What are we talking about with severe storms? The possibility of damaging winds, the possibility of hail, and we can't rule out the possibility of a tornado. Futurecast showing us constant development and redevelopment into the early morning hours Saturday of these pockets of intensity. And again, this could be severe damaging storms with all the possibilities of badness on the menu. And here's your 7-day forecast as we leave you. We hope you have a great weekend coming up.